Hey guys, so today we are going to Indiana so we can buy some fireworks. Yeah guys, so we're gonna go buy some fireworks. Refreshing, bro. So yeah guys, we're gonna go to Indiana. Crazy plans. It's gonna be like an hour drive. I'll do a time lapse, guys, from here to possibly there. So I'll see you guys right now. We are in right now, the fireworks shop. Look at guys. Epic. Guys, me and my brother were just playing Fortnite right now. We almost got a win, but then we had to get out of the car. And then my dad got mad because we kept on playing on our way to the inside. So I just swiped out. We were about to win, guys. I had like 8 kills. It was like 10 people left, guys. It was insane. But look at these insane fireworks. Green has it. I'm still in. You're still in? Which ones are we going to buy? Okay, guys. We got to find these. We got to find some.
More of those poppers. You know those
The
ones
dragon?
Yeah.
Cherry?
You know what I'm talking
Can I
about?
pick one? All right, guys. I'm gonna go pick one. Sound Mind. I want this one. I wonder. Wait. Nah, that's probably so loud, guys. I don't like loud fireworks. I want a dinosaur. I want this one. Buy one, get 2 free. Dang. Wait. Oh, okay. Buy one, get 2 free.
Down this first hour, you light it once and it shoots up multiple shots and then you color over.
Okay, guys. So I don't know if I should get a dinosaur, guys.
So if it has more shots, it's more.
Maybe. Thinking about it, guys. There's so many good fireworks here.
So is there anything in particular?
What the heck?
Color?
That one's
This
weird, guys.
section right here, this one is pretty good for color. And then there's a couple ones for $44.95 that we have.
Wait, which one? Did you pick yours out?
Yeah, this one's buy one, get 2 free.
So you got the cherry. Look, guys. Guys, look at my brother. He's still alive. How many people are left? 5 people left, guys. That's insane.
So the most shots is fine.
Guys, I don't know which one to pick. They're so cool.
Go look around there. Everything in
Okay.
here is kid friendly.
Dang.
Okay.
Guys, base military assortment. Guys, I have no idea what to pick. My brother just got his phone taken away because he was playing Fortnite. Oh, look at this one. Dang. Hammer time. Gettysburg, guys. They have some cool names. Let's get this one. This one looks creepy. What the heck? Cappy Clown. Oh God, never mind, guys. You get for one firework.
Did you get $4.99 cakes for the price of one?
Dang, why are these so expensive? Look at guys, $44.95 for this one. Sniper fire. Literally only 15 shots for one. So trash. Guys, I'm about to roast. Catapult looks pretty nice. Monkey wrench looks pretty. $29.99 for this garbage. I mean $29.95. Yo guys, we should just try to make our own this year. No, I'm joking. Bahama Mama? Isn't that like one of Roman? No. Oh, this one looks nice. Stressed out. These are epic. Guys, my legs fell asleep. Oh God. Dang. These are big. Guys, which one should we buy? Pyro Predator. Okay guys, since this is taking so long and I actually need to help look for some, I'm gonna get off and then I'm gonna show you guys what we buy. So I'll show you guys right part of the vlog. Here's what we got. So we just came back. So we got this fountain thing. No wait, I think it's a motor. It's cherry pie. That's what it's called. Then we got these boom chicka bombs, 2 of those. And then we got like 4 of these sparkler things that they like Here guys, let me show you how they look. It emits like a cool fire, so yeah. And then we have like 4 of these balls to the wall. And then maybe like 3 of these fire things, like what's it called? Whistler thingies. And then we have like we have 2 big packs of firecrackers. Oh, we have some of those. I forgot. Saturn missiles. Oh, and then we have some of these guys. Look at these. They're like things that fly up in the sky. I'm trying to look for that other thing that I just had. And we used them right now. What could they be, guys? You gotta look around. Guys, I'm trying to look for something. Alright, whatever. But I'll see you guys in the next vlog. See you guys tomorrow.